Manipur Leingakki Lilong Haoreibi College Amadi Manipur Universitygi Department of Teacher Education ANINA KHUTSAMNADUNA Integrated Teacher Education Program Implementation and NAAC Binary Accreditation Framework ki matangda CHAYOL ama CHUPNA CHATTHAGDBA Capacity Building National Workshop ama ngasi Lilong USHOIPOKPI da LEIBA Lilong Haoreibi College ki Multipurpose Hall da HOUDOKKHRE. Building the foundation for future-ready quality institutions, Hiramda Pangthokpa National Workshop Adu Haudokpagi Thoramda, Bharat Leingakki External Affairs and Education ge former Minister of State R.K. Ranjan Singh Chief Guest National Council for Teacher Education, New Delhi Eastern Regional Committee gi Chairperson Professor Divya Jyoti Mahanta na Special Guest of Honor, Manipur Universitygi School of Education gi Dean Professor Premlata Maishnam na Guest of Honor Amadi Lilong Haoreibi College ki Principal Professor Mohammed A. Satar Sahana President oina saru yaki. Chief Guest ki Warol Piraduna former MP R.K. Ranjan Nahai Supnagi Chahi Mari ki Manungda Higher Education ki Oza Singbu Ningthi na train Tauragadaba Integrated Teachers Education Program ITEP asina Manipur amadi North East India da LEIBA Higher Education ki institution kaya amadadi ahenba afaba oza kaya ama puthoktuna Mahairoi Shingbu Sengatpada Chawna kanaba piragani loinana college amabu quality assurance process ohenbada chawna mateng oigedawriba NAAC Binary Accreditation Framework asi niyam yamna chumna pangthoknanaba hotnahausi maruoina Manipurgi rural amadi minority dominated areas da LEIBA college singi oinadi quality enhancement institutional creativity amadi national academic integration ohenbada chawna mateng oiragani hairaduna asigumba national workshop ama pangthokliba asigi kananaba adu chapchana lahausi haina appeal tauki Thauromapugi Warolda Lilong Haoreibi College ki Principal Professor Mohammed A. Satar Sahana Hai Manipurda NCTE na Integrated Teacher Education Program ITEP recognized Toba College asi Lilong Haoreibi College na oire Masi College ki Khudimakta Noma Soidana Hanglakadaba Oivana Integrated Teacher Education Program TEP Amadi NAAC Binary Accreditation Framework ki matangda college ki Oza Pumbada Aware ohenaba pandam ama workshop asi pangthokpani CHAYOL ama CHUPNA CHATTHAGDBA workshop asida Manipurgi tongan ba college singdagi chamaga kuntrama thoi delegates na saru yari haina fongdorakhi
online da tawgadaba ani maksi anoba two major reforms oiba masigi si aikoina aikoigi maruoina faculty members singda Manipur da leriba faculty members singda khanghanba khangbada jamna kanaba darkar oi hina khallaga tawjabani masina kanagadorisi higher education institution punamak siki magi quality assurance tawbada naki BAF binary accreditation framework sina quality leiba hangadoribani si tawbadagi adagi ITEP implementation sisu teacher education ki quality improve tawgadaba aduna majiki khallaga aikoina 1 week ki oiba national ki level da national workshop is sinjabani masi ina participants singina magi adi session lakador session singsida thawai jauna fadana adi resource person mapalom lagi lakba resource person ai koi Manipur ki manung ki oiba jamna pha resource person jam leire Manipur da makoina tak ambam mayam makoina ngangam ba presentation torum ba mayam du Lakshil Horaga, Magi Institute, ITEP implementation Tawada, Amadi, binary accreditation framework, Zamakana.
Shift to a simplified accreditation model is intended to encourage wider participation of colleges that were previously hesitant or excluded from the quality assurance process. For many colleges in Manipur, especially those located in rural and minority-dominated areas, binary accreditation can serve as a gateway to quality enhancement, institutional credibility, and national academic integrations.